Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get early access to Meta AI chat on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is, first thing, you have to go to your Play Store and go to search bar and type in WhatsApp and check if your app is updated or not, because if it's not, simply go ahead and tap on this update option that will be given here instead of open, and simply for the new features, and it will also solve some of the errors and lags from your app as well. Then afterwards, you're going to go ahead and access your WhatsApp, and here in this section this kind of interface gonna pop up. Afterwards, what you're going to do, you're going to tap on this new message icon below right corner. Now here in this section you're going to find this option called a new AI chat. Here in this fourth option that will be added. So in many regions it's not available yet, so if it's available for you, you're going to find that option, go ahead and tap on it, and then it will simply open up the next interface would be for you to request early access option. Now you're going to tap on it, and then it will various AI options for you going to pop up. You're going to go ahead, choose a AI chat partner with whom you want to chat with, and you will be able to chat with them. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.